Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. In today's lesson, we will learn 10 common English expressions that native speakers use every day. These expressions will help you sound more natural and confident in conversations. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an English lesson. Ready? Let's get started. The first 5 expressions are ones you'll hear almost every day in conversations. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 1. Break a leg. Good luck. Meaning, this phrase is often used to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance or important event. It may sound negative, but it's actually a way of encouraging someone. Example sentences. You have an exam tomorrow. Break a leg. Good luck with your exam. She's performing in a play tonight. Let's wish her luck. Break a leg. 2. Hit the books. To study hard. Meaning, this phrase means to start studying seriously, usually for an exam or test. It's commonly used by students. Example sentences. Final exams are next week. I really need to hit the books. I need to start studying. I can't go out tonight. I have to hit the books for my math test. 3. Spill the beans. Reveal a secret. Meaning, when someone spills the beans, they tell a secret that was supposed to be kept. Example sentences. We were planning a surprise party for John, but Sarah spilled the beans. Sarah accidentally told him about the party. Don't spill the beans. It's supposed to be a surprise. 4. Piece of cake. Something very easy. Meaning, this expression is used to describe something that is very simple or easy to do. Example sentences. That test was a piece of cake. I finished in 10 minutes. The test was really easy. Don't worry about the presentation. You've practiced a lot. It'll be a piece of cake. 5. Under the weather. Feeling sick. Meaning, if someone is under the weather, they are feeling a little sick or unwell. Example sentences. I won't come to work today. I'm feeling under the weather. I don't feel well. She's looking under the weather today. Maybe she caught a cold. Now let's learn 5 more expressions that will make your English sound more fluent. 6. A blessing in disguise. A good thing that seemed bad at first. Meaning, this phrase is used when something seems bad or unfortunate at first, but later turns out to be a good thing. Example sentences. Losing my job was tough, but it was a blessing in disguise because I found a better one. Missing my flight was a blessing in disguise. The plane had engine trouble. 7. The ball is in your court. It's your turn to take action. Meaning, this phrase means that it's now up to you to decide or take action. Example sentences. I've given you all the information. Now, the ball is in your court. It's your turn to make a decision. She apologized. Now, the ball is in his court to forgive her or not. 8. Once in a blue moon. Something that rarely happens. Meaning, this phrase is used to describe something that happens very rarely. Example sentences. I eat fast food once in a blue moon. I rarely eat fast food. He visits his parents once in a blue moon because he's always busy. 9. Burn the midnight oil. Work late at night. Meaning, if you burn the midnight oil, you stay up late working or studying. Example sentences. I had to burn the midnight oil to finish my project. I worked late at night. She was burning the midnight oil preparing for her final exams. 10. Bite the bullet. To endure something difficult. Meaning, to bite the bullet means to face a difficult situation bravely, even though it's unpleasant. Example sentences. I hate getting injections, but I just have to bite the bullet. I have to endure it. The surgery was scary, but he had to bite the bullet and go through with it. Great job, everyone. Now, let's practice. I'll say a sentence, and you guess the correct expression. Ready? I had to stay up all night studying for my test. Which expression fits? She finally told me the big secret. What's the right phrase? I got stuck in traffic, but it turned out to be a good thing because I avoided an accident. What's the expression? That's it for today's lesson. Now, I challenge you, write a sentence using one of today's expressions in the comments. I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. And if you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.